Good afternoon, and welcome to the Schaumburg Township Historical Society. Behind us is the Sunderlage Farm Smokehouse on the National Register of Historic Places. And we are so grateful to be part of this event today. It is an annual summer open house. Like we brought up the ice cream thing, usually it's tied in with a ice cream social plan and theme, but this year we couldn't. And we're just visiting this farmhouse that was built in 1856 by the Sunderlages, who immigrated to America from Hanover, Germany. I've already toured the house before, and these ladies have too, and it's just a wonderful gem in our community where we can learn about life in the late 1800s and our many German ancestors. It's really a fun place to visit. It's very unique. I encourage everyone to come out and visit.